What's the meaning of alive? Alive. 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 Alive.
Alive refers to the state of having life or the ability to function, grow and reproduce. It implies the presence of physical and mental activity, as well as the ability to respond to stimuli. Living things exhibit distinct characteristics such as metabolism, growth, reproduction, adaptation, and response to stimuli. Life is a complex phenomenon that has been studied by biologists, philosophers, and other scholars throughout history. The definition of alive remains the subject of debate in various fields due to the complex nature of life and the different ways it can be characterized and studied.